Smooth, glossy, and super high-end. You've definitely seen designs like this. This is the magic of hot stamping, turning ordinary materials into something premium. How does it work? Today, I am going to show you the entire hot stamping process. Hot stamping makes your designs feel so much more refined. Compared to traditional gold leafing, it's faster, more precise, and great for mass production. Let's dive into the whole process. The secret lies in the laminating machine. It uses precise pressure and temperature control to transfer the metallic foil onto the material. This process is quick and spot on, ensuring every detail of your design comes out perfectly. Traditional gold leafing involves manual work, applying glue, placing the gold foil, and polishing it. It's time-consuming, but the result is unique and perfect for small, high-end custom pieces. On the other hand, UV DTF hot stamping is much more efficient and ideal for large-scale production. If you're a designer, crafter, or just want to create custom items, UV DTF hot stamping is your go-to tool for adding a premium feel to your designs. Next, let me take you through the whole process of making a UV DTF hot stamping sticker from scratch. Step 1. Design your pattern. You can either create your own or buy designs from a professional. This step is crucial because it determines the final product, making sure every detail fits your vision. Step 2. Use the UV DTF printer to print your design onto the A-film. The ink quickly cures, making sure your design is crisp and colorful, laying the foundation for the next step. Step 3. Apply an adhesive release liner. Step 4. Carefully peel off the waste film to ensure there's no leftover glue. This step is all about making sure the hot stamping effect comes out perfectly. Step 5. Apply the hot stamping foil using the laminating machine. The foil bonds tightly with the A-film, and that's when the gold sheen starts to appear. Step 6. Peel off the hot stamping foil, revealing the shiny, high-end finish on your design. The metallic shine makes it look really sophisticated. Step 7. Apply the B-film to protect the hot stamping. This ensures it's durable, preventing the gold effect from fading or getting damaged over time. The metallic shine looks amazing with a beautifully fine texture. Step 8. Now, just stick your hot stamping sticker onto your cups. Whether it's a book cover, greeting card, or gift box, the hot stamping instantly elevates its luxury feel. And here's the final product. Look at that refined foil sticker effect. It really makes the piece stand out. You too can easily achieve luxurious metallic effect like this one without spending a fortune. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a quick thumb like. If you have any other questions you want to tell us, please comment below and we will show you in the next video. Thank you for watching.